Jay Kumar, you can start with your self introduction and about the topic. Start Ajay.
Thank you, sir. First of all, a very warm good evening to all. That my name is Ajay Gilla. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan, which is famous for Salt Lake. If I talk about my qualification, that I complete my intermediate exam in 2023 with 89%, and now I am pursuing BSc first year. So today we are going to discuss the topic about child labor. Child labor is a very serious case for a nation. That our government takes many actions for Child Labor Act and government provide child helpline number is 1098 for all children is available for 24 by 7 hours. And in a data of government that in 2018 to 2023 in our India that have 2.5 crore cases of child labor. Child labor is a very dangerous case for a children because very it's very demerits for a children to make their bright future. For some money that children work for below in 14 age, that's called be child labor. Thank you, sir.
Now, next candidate Ashutosh Singh.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And our and now we are here to discuss on the topic the problem of child labor in India or the condition of children abused in field or factories. And according to government of India, if a child below 14 years old works in factory and field as labor, so it will be considered and social illegal crime in the constitution. And the child labor, there are many reasons of child labor, that lack of education and population is the main reason of child labor, and poverty is the most significant driver of child labor in India. And if we control of child labor, then child labor can be controlled by providing education and solving his problem like hunger and producing resources of employment. That thank you.
Next candidate Dipendra Kumar.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipen Kaur. I have belonged to Kanpur. I have passed 10 tenters from before. Now I am pursuing basic from Kanpur University. There are 6 members in my family, including 3 siblings. My father is a teacher, my mother is a housemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. Today my topic is child labor, which is assigned to me. Poverty leads to child labor. Child labor is a social evil of our society. Law cannot remove it. Child labor is a global problem of our nation. India is the most populous country in the world. India is the most affected in whole world as a child labor. Child labor destroy the childhood. Child labor means lost childhood. Child labor is a virus in our many sector. Agriculture has a maximum involvement as a child labor. 11, 11 children in India as a child labor. 5 million children are in India as a work as a child labor. Many NGO are reducing to child labor, and our government also take many steps like midday meal. If we reduce child labor in our country, then we give shelter, foods, and quality of education, and many more necessity. The IPC tackling child labor through education tackle is a launched by 2008 by European Commission and International Child Labor Organization, and government should provide employment, then elder can do work and their child can study, and many parents are not
Okay. Next candidate Anjali. Next
First of all,
candidate
good evening, everyone. My name is Anjali Kuntal. I belongs to Mathura, located in UP. I have completed higher secondary with PCV from State Board. I have got good academic record 10th as well as 12th standard. My hobbies are listening music, net surfing, and play outdoor games. There are 6 members in my family. Now I am pursuing BA from Bhimrao Ambedkar University. That's all about me. Dear all friends, this topic is related to child labor in our nation. In my opinion, it is said that one side child God and the another side children are working in many factories, street corners and garbage dumps. In my opinion, as we all know, according to the government of India, below 14 years 14 years till children are not work. This is the constitutions in India. They are like prefers child labor is a crime, and which is low age working for children and no care of parents, so greedy in some extras income. Thank you.
Okay. Next candidate, Pritam Singh.
Jai Hind friend, my name is Pritam Singh. I am from Lathia, Jharkhand. My hobbies are traveling and singing. I have completed my 12th from Sarma College, Chhatarpur in Science stream. Now I am pursuing graduation in English honors from AK Singh Degree College, Japla. My goal is to be the best version of ourselves, disciplined and adventurous life. So I want to join Indian Air Force. Now about topic which is assigned to me is child labor. Child labor is a crime. It is illegal because in our Constitution of India is mentioned below 14 years old below 14 years old boy, child uh, has a rights to education and has a right to play. If we interfere in their engaged in labor, then it's interfere the constitution, so it is illegal. And there are many causes of child labor. First of all, poverty is the main reason of a child labor, because the financial condition of a family is low, then they prefer to encourage financial, then he took their child in the child labor.
Now, next
Second,
candidate, Nishu Yadav.
So, good evening, friends. My name is Nishu Yadav. I am from Alwar. My qualification is I completed my 12th class from Career Vision Senior Secondary School, Alwar, and now I am pursuing my graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar. My hobbies are playing cricket and kabaddi, and I want to join Air Force, the live adventurous life and mentally fit and in uh, like yeah, thank you. Now today we are going to discuss the topic is child labor. We all know that child labor is the crime, illegal crime. It is already mentioned by the government, because when a child is below to the 14 years, then he called, if he's working in the factories, street and other garbages also in factories, then it called as the child labor. So it's a very sad thing for our nation, because the child is working in small age. It's a wrong thing for the Indian peoples. And like it is already mentioned in constitution that it is a illegal offense if the child are working in the garbage in the factories. Then the child can they can file the case against their parents if they are if the parents are forcing any child to the child labor. Thank you.
निशु, आपको एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा. एक तो अपने सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के ऊपर ध्यान दो. आपका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन ही अच्छे से तैयार नहीं है. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज लास्ट इंप्रेशन होता है हमेशा. तो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन आपका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन ही होता है, और वो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन ही आपका प्रॉपर तरीके से याद नहीं है आपको. एक ही चीज होती है जो आप पहले से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, तो उसको प्रिपेयर कीजिए. ओके, अभी हम नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट के साथ चलेंगे. जय श्री दादा कृष्णा.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Priyam Yadav. My father's name is Mr. Sachin Kumar. Is a farmer. I belong to district Auraiya in UP. I have completed class 12th with PCM in state board. I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur, Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University. Dear friends, I have to discuss on the topic child labor. Dear all, at one side it is said the child is another form of God, but and on another side, another side children are working in field and factory and street corner and in the garbage dump. According to Government of India, if a child below 14 years old work in a factory and field of labor, then it will consider a social and illegal crime in constitution along. The existence of child labor is ground reality. It is matter of same. The India has maximum number of child labor in poor families. Thank you.
देखिए, आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगा प्रियम सिंह कि आप अपने ऊपर एक तो प्रेशर मत बनने दो। आपके ऊपर प्रेशर बन रहा है तो आप अपने टॉपिक के जो पॉइंट्स हैं उनको भूल रहे हैं, आपके अंदर लेक हो रहा है, तो उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो, प्रेशर मत बनने दो। जो आप जिस तरीके से अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने दोस्तों से खुल के बात करते हो, वैसे नॉर्मल बात करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, एकदम बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रहो। ऐसे टेंशन मत लो कि क्या होगा, क्या नॉर्मल रहो, अच्छा होगा। जो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अगर आप नॉर्मल रहोगे तो और अच्छी आएगी बाहर निकल के। ओके, अभी हम नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट के साथ कंटिन्यू करेंगे, अजय पाल यादव।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajay Pal Yadav. I belong to village Tulela, district Alwar, Rajasthan. I have completed intermediate from Shivaji Senior Secondary Schools. Right now, I am pursuing graduation from RR College, Alwar. My hobby is playing cricket and reading biographies. Today is our group discussion. Topic is child labor. We know that a child is a god in our country because they are in a god form in our country, and child is a future of our country. If they are forcing to work like which is done by the adult person, this is called the child labor. And the many reasons behind the child labor is that is the financial situation of family, and also the selling of children in the minor age. That's why the owner forcing to do a work. We easily find in city areas that from village area the children are coming to doing work, and also the reason behind the child labor is also that not provide education better by the government. Thank you, sir.
अजय पाल यादव, आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा कि आपने लास्ट ईयर के अंदर कितनी बायोग्राफी पढ़ी है और किस किस की बायोग्राफी आप अभी तक पढ़ चुके हैं?
सॉरी सर, वो मैंने हॉबीज पे वो सिर्फ बोल दिया, इस बार नहीं मैं
हाउ मेनी बायोग्राफी यू रीड इन लास्ट ईयर?
नथिंग सर.
अजय पाल, रिप्लाई आना चाहिए।
जी सर. So नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस.
Yes.
Sometimes I read about him.
Yes.
Yes sir. Only one biography I read.
Yes.
To getting knowledge about.
How many times?
Sir, only one times.
So this is not your hobby. अगर आप कोई हॉबी बोल रहे हो तो अगर उसका क्रॉस क्वेश्चन बनता है तो उसका रिप्लाई भी आपका पहले से अच्छा तैयार होना चाहिए। ओके
जी सर.
तो इसके ऊपर देखो, अगर अच्छा आपने एक नया पॉइंट ऐड किया है कि सभी लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद करता हूँ, सर्फिंग ऑन इंटरनेट, ये सभी बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन आपका बायोग्राफी वाला पॉइंट अच्छा है, तो इसके ऊपर ये एक डिफरेंट पॉइंट है, डिफरेंट थिंक है, तो इसके ऊपर आपका क्रॉस क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, मजाक में भी बन जाता है क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कभी कभी, तो उसके अंदर आपका जो आंसर है वो आपका तैयार होना चाहिए। ओके, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, आप यही बायोग्राफी वाला रखो, लेकिन इसका जो आंसर है वो आप थोड़ा सा और बनाओ इसको। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट निकिता सिंह।
सर आई हैव अ डाउट बिफोर इट।
देखो, लास्ट के अंदर डाउट अभी सेशन करते हैं। ओके, निकिता सिंह।
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Nikita Chaudhary. I belong to Hathras. I have completed my higher secondary education from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BA second year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies is listening music and playing games. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventurous life and better opportunity after 12th. We are here to discuss about the topic of child labor. One side it is said that child is another form of God, and on other side child are working in field and factory and street corner and garbage dump. The existence of child labor in India is a complex problem, and poverty and low level of education is the main causes of child labor in India. According to the government of India, if a child below 14-year-old works in factory and fields a labor, then it will be considered a social and illegal crime. Article 24 say that below the age of 14 years old child cannot work in factories and field of labor.
Okay. Now next candidate, Ranu Singh.
Good evening, friend. My name is Ranu Singh. I belong to Kannauj, which is famous for perfume city. I passed out intermediate with science stream in 2023. My hobby is playing cricket and listening song in free time. That's all about of me. And today's topic is poverty. Today's topic is child labor. Who the child who are working in the factory, farming, and other places below 18 years old is called child labor. Poverty and population is major reason of child labor. In India, many families lives under below poverty line, and people are not able to feed their children. So, so their children start laboring to fulfill their needs, and they did not get good education, for which they are illiterate and not get good job in future. Our government helping to reduce the child labor in India. Thank you, sir.
रानू सिंह, आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि एक तो आप अपनी सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए, थोड़ा सा इसको लेंथ कीजिए। 5 से 6 सेकंड के अंदर आपका जो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन है वो कंप्लीट हो गया, और एक जो भी टॉपिक आपको दिया जाता है, असाइन किया जाता है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा काम कीजिए, क्योंकि आपका जो टॉपिक है वो आपको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं है। ओके, तो टॉपिक के ऊपर ध्यान देना है, सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन पे ध्यान देना है। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अनिकेत कुमार। अनिकेत, डू यू स्टार्ट?
हेलो, वॉइस आ रही है सर?
यस, स्टार्ट नाउ।
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar. I am from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for woodwork, furniture, and also famous for Masako Devi Fair. I have recently completed my BSc with PCM from CCS University, and I have also good academic in 10th and 12th standard also UP board. My hobbies are playing cricket and cooking food. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a private teacher. I want to join in the Air Force because it is well adventurous and disciplined. It is not of life. It is a of life. So today our topic is child. Child is the the child go in a hilly places like factory and tea stall, restaurants, and many other places in place of the school. This is called child labor. If the child are go for the work, that means the lack of education and the increasing the poverty. This is the sign of the lack of education. If the child go in this places, it is the destruction of disturb of the article 24 the article 24, the constitution gives the right to the child to the below of 14-year-old do not go to the workplaces, and it is a very heinous and illegal crime, and the government also work against child labor. They pass many acts like national child labor in 1986, and many other NGOs are work for save the child, because USA Foundation, Mother Welfare Association, and many other NGOs are work for to stop the child labor. Thank you.
ओके, अनिकेत कुमार, आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि थोड़ा सा टॉपिक की प्रैक्टिस कीजिए पहले आप। ओके, क्योंकि देखिए आप बोलते अच्छा, पॉइंट्स आपके अच्छे हैं, लेकिन आप अपने ऊपर लोड ले लेते हैं, प्रेशर ले लेते हैं, जिससे कि आपकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो खराब हो रही है। तो थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए, प्रेशर मत आने दीजिए, बी नेचुरल एंड नॉर्मल। जितना आप नॉर्मल रहोगे उतनी ही आपकी जीडी के अंदर परफॉर्मेंस जो है वो अच्छी आएगी। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट शुभम कुमार।
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Subham Kumar. I am from Ara, Bhojpur, Bihar. Ara is known as Arthabau Bir Kumar Singh. I have passed class 12th with 86% marks from BSCB, and now I am pursuing BSc Physics Honors from Bir Kumar University, Ara. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder sisters. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventures and disciplined career. That's all about me, and we are here to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us: child labor and impact of child labor on the society. Child labor means lost childhood. When a child goes to work in place of going to a school, it is called child labor. Childhood is the time when a child should learn, not earn, but unfortunately, millions of children worldwide are under forced work. This is not allowed yet, but many people do not care about the law. No child below the age of 40 can be forced to work under Article 24. And poverty is the main reason behind the problem. There, because parents cannot able to earn to a square meal, then they ask their children to go to work. This is not good for the children, because children is the future of our country, and it's make hurdle in our development of the country.
बहुत अच्छा था। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट दीपेंद्र कुमार। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अशोक पवार। अशोक पवार
सर मैंने ऐसे ही ज्वाइन
ऐसे ज्वाइन किया है तो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन तो दे ही सकते हो।
सर मेरे हो रखा है वैसे पहले वो।
ओके ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ओके, तो देखिए, जिन कैंडिडेट्स को मैंने बताया कुछ कि आपको ये इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है, वो उस बात को फॉलो करेंगे और वो इम्प्रूवमेंट करेंगे। बाकी के जितने भी कैंडिडेट हैं जिनको मैंने नहीं बोला, उनका आज अच्छा था कंपेरेटिवली टुमारो, कंपेरेटिवली यस्टरडे, कि जो कल आपने किया था सेशन अपने एनजीओ वाले टॉपिक पे, उससे आज आपका अच्छा था और पहले से कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट देखने को मिला है। तो आज आपको कुछ नहीं बताया गया क्योंकि आपके अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, तो हम 1-2 दिन इसको फॉलो करेंगे। ओके, तो जिनको नहीं बोला गया है, वो जो आज आपने लाइन और लेंथ से बोला है, जिस स्पीड से बोला है, जिस एक्यूरेसी के साथ में आपने बोला है, बिना हेजिटेट हुए, बिना नर्वस हुए, उसी तरीके से आपको नेचुरली बोलना है। और जिनको बताया गया है कि आपको ये सुधार करने की जरूरत है, ये इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है, वो उसको फॉलो करेंगे। ओके, ऑल कैंडिडेट अंडरस्टैंड। बाकी सभी कैंडिडेट जितने भी थे उन सभी का अच्छा था, कोई इश्यू नहीं है। अगर आप इस तरीके से करते हैं तो आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक के बिहाफ पे। ओके, नाउ वी कम ऑन आवर सेशन एंड स्टार्ट डिस्कशन ऑन आवर टुडेज टॉपिक चाइल्ड लेबर। ओके, तो आज का जो अपना टॉपिक है चाइल्ड लेबर, इसको इनिशिएट करेंगी निकिता सिंह। ओके, एंड स्टार्ट नाउ निकिता सिंह जीडी सेशन। ओके, और सभी कैंडिडेट उसके बाद में 1 बाय 1 करके स्टार्ट कर देंगे। कोई भी कैंडिडेट फिश मार्केट की कंडीशन नहीं बनाएगा कल की तरह। कल आप लोगों ने बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से किया था। अगर कोई आदमी आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देता है कि आप डेली कर रहे हैं, उस तरीके से कीजिए, तो आपको करना चाहिए। ओके, स्टार्ट नाउ।
Child labor is the exploitation of children through any form of work that interferes with their ability to attend regular schools or mentally, physically, socially, and morally harmful. One side it is said that child is another form of gold, but another side child are working in fields, factories, street corner, and garbage dumps.
We all know that
At some
the
point,
child labor is a
many children.
Yes, dear friends, I
We all
agree with you. According to Government of India, if a child below 14 years old works in factory and field as a labor, so it will be considered and a social illegal crime in the Constitution. And child labor are preferred by many employers because they are available at cheap rates and without much demand.
Yes, I agree
Yes, my
because
dear
Then
friend,
in
not
my
only
opinion,
I,
unemployment
Yes,
and
my dear
I
poverty
am
is a
friend,
very big
do
issue in our
education
country.
should work
So
as children to
many
stop the
children
child
are not.
trafficking, child kidnapping, and child labor. Like smart, many NGOs work for children to stop the child trafficking, child kidnapping, and child labor. Like Smile Foundation, Pule Foundation, Mother Charitable Trust, and many other foundations work for the child.
I at
Our
some point
government are
one
very
side it is
serious
said
about
that
this
children.
topic that
Yeah, I at
government
some
make
point
a
one side that is. Yeah, I at some point one side is it is said that children are another form of a god, but other side is children are working in many danger factories and industry and many more
Dear friend, I agree
companies.
with you. The
major cause
existence
of
of child
child
labor in
labor
India
is
is a complex
that
problem, and poverty and low level of education is the main reason of child labor in India. So, the huge population of child labor. So, we should provide more education.
major cause of
I at
this
some point
child labor is
many
that
children are working
lack of
dan-
lack of lack of knowledge and lack of education quality. That's a big reason for the make child labor.
at some point many children are working in the danger factory and many more factory because lack of education, lack of information, and lack of a proper guardians. In India, the rate of juvenile case are increasing day by day.
Yes, my
we
dear
all
friend,
know
I
that,
agree.
guys,
Now
that
our
child
country
labor is
is
an
very
illegal
very
crime because our
because
constitution of India
these
say that
are
if
legal
any child
countries.
below the 14 years old, they have a rights to education and rights to play. If a child is engaged in labor field, then it's interfere our constitution rights like rights to education, so it is illegal crime.
Lack of
At
Many
some
education
state
point,
and
governments
every
are
children,
very serious
every
about this
Child
children.
topic.
labors are available at cheap rate and come
Raj,
without much demand.
I'm
Yes, my
agree
dear
with you
friend, I
all.
Point.
agree
Now I
with
will
you.
say that child labor is the very crucial problem for our
Of
nation.
work
And
in dangerous
now,
places
as we
in
all
the
know
peaceful
that if a
society is
child is
also
belong
used
to
for
14
trafficking.
years,
It
then
also
it's called as
also
child
suffer
labor.
the
If he is
harassment of
working
the
in
child.
factories,
By
working
a
in
I am
data
agree
of
At
with
some
you.
point,
I
2023
want
that
to add some point.
our country had
I am
2.5
agree with
crore
you.
cases of child labor.
I
Yes,
am
dear
agree with
friend,
you.
I
I
want
want
to
to add some
point
point.
out
They are
that
not
many
only
people are
forced to work.
poor and
They,
they are come from rural areas, and so they do not get type of education that which type of education they need. So this is the main reason of child labor in India.
of
I
education
at
am
some
agree
cannot
with
point,
you. I want
every
to
11
child
children,
labor because
eh,
their parents think after education they
uh,
will nothing or no job, so it is a better start in earning from childhood. Thank you.
Many
I am agree
children
with
are
you.
I
I
at
working
want
some
to
in
add
point,
some
dangerous
point.
yeah,
factories.
They
I
are
I
at
not
can
some
only
talk
point,
forced to
about
work,
chemical
but
factories and many
abuses
industrial
in.
factories.
I
I
at
am
some
agree
point,
with
you
you. I
listen to,
want to and
I point child labor destroy the future of children and child labor means that lost his childhood. Child labor is a violation of human rights and in India every 11 children in India as a child labor. 5 million children are working in India as a child labor like many states UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and many more India states.
Yes, I
I
agree
agree
with
with
I am
Dipendra
agree with
Kumar
you. I
that
want
our government makes a child helpline number is 1098 is available for 24 hours 7.
In my
I
opinion,
at
guys,
some point
the
our government
biggest in my opinion, guys, the biggest problem of child labor is our country is poverty because the hug population of India is below the poverty line. Uh, because the poverty, poor family, the financial condition is very very bad. So whole family has a pressure to job. So child engaged in child labor because the poverty.
Agree to
but they
at
are
Pritam
some
not
that
only
point
for
the child labor mainly doing by that person who is that children whose financial situation is not good, and he is also doing a work for the enhance the financial stability, also good for their financial stability. That's why he's doing work. The children were doing a work in hotels and rooms other day,
Yes,
etc.
I agree with
Yes,
you,
my
friend.
yes,
dear
In
I'm
friend,
my
I
agree
agree
with
with
opinion,
you.
you.
child
Now
labor
I
is
want
a
to say
very
that
big issue in our
how
country.
what is the
Unemployment
causes
and
of child labor.
increasing
In
day
this
by
time,
day. Unemployment and
Okay, gentlemen, in my point of the parents are also greed if some extra income.
India, there are very large to providing
I'm
the
agree with you
child
all
labor
that
as the Child Labor Provision and Regulation Act aiming to protect children from child labor. Thank you.
I
I
agree
add
with
some
you. I
point
want to add some
that
points. They
there
are
are
not
many
only forced to
causes
work
of
but
child
abused
labor.
in many ways, like sexual abuse, child trafficking. This is not good for the
Yeah.
mentally and
There,
physically well for the children, because children is the future of the country.
yes. There is the many reasons of many causes of child labor. Like first is poverty leads to child labor. Poor families with large numbers make their children work to keep income steady. Childs are cheap source of labor comparison of adult. As we all know that effects of there are the very wrong effects in our nation of child labor, like due to lack of education and proper guidance, they get influenced by criminals also. They are taking the steps in like criminal activities also when and the government is also working to reduce the child labor in India because they are running the many schemes like NGOs are also working in that field.
In my
child
opinion,
labor
that
is
the children
a
are
in a
not
Before
various
have
proceeding
sector
same
further,
equality
in
that
agriculture.
the
that
child
make
labor
a
is prohibited. A children whose age below the 40 years and who is doing a work in a child laboring. So according to Article 23, it is against the exploitation. So government is prohibited and it is against the fundamental right of any children. And children are the future of our country. So they must have a good and proper education so that they get in future they become beneficial for our country.
in our
Yes,
I add
constitution
some
there
point.
is
children are
article
Our
getting the good
24
government
we have
take
a
education
many
from
child
steps
labor number
for child labor.
1098. It's
Children are the future of our
if the
Yeah,
India, but
financial
yeah.
condition is very low of the children's, then like I want to s- I want to say that Indian government implementing
go to the
innovative
school
schemes like midday meal to encourage children to attend school instead of working.
for children. And on the other hand, we see that
as
our
we know
constitution,
that
Article 21
at a
gives
family
the right to the
dependency or
child
depend on a man
to a
after
child
their
as
father,
children
that
and go
mostly
to the
children
school
are
and
go
educate a child
for some
at the
income.
age of 16 or
It it goes to child labor case.
Child labor
Yes,
is
I
a
would
very
say that in the
discriminating
child labor in
very child
Indian
labor
government is
are
also working
developing
well
conditions in
because
which they
they
are mentally and physically tortured.
they are running the many skill. Indian government is running the many schemes also like midday meal that encourage the children to attend the school instead of working, because as we all know that when the financial condition of a family is very worst condition, that time they are not getting good they are not getting good education, good food. So the parents of parents of that children, they are sending their children to the factories and garbage to the work. It's a wrong thing. So like government is also working and I appreciate the government to do.
Yes, dear friends, I am agree with you. Many organizations are working to stop their child labor as a name NGO. NGO are also helps us to poor family and the main reason of child labor, lack of child awareness, lack of education.
in the past, the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, the Talk to Crowd, and many other schemes are running at present time. And in the past, our government also started many child labor act was enacted in 1986 and natural child labor project in 1988.
I agree with you. The
Sir, they
existence
are
of
Many
working
cases,
in
in many cases,
2016.
in our
government is
country, so
working
this
with.
is a not
In
legal
many cases,
status
government.
for children are very big issue, and faces a lot of and faces of lot of problems. Child labor is a crime. This is very bad in our country. India is the most populated in the country. Lack of jobs opportunity. So children are facing a lot of problems. India is a developing country, so this problem is not good.
Government is
Child
In
I
trying
labor
many
to
agree.
is
I
start
cases,
agree
to
with your
start
government
point
are
that
as
working with
their
NGO
education
to
to
induce.
start in children.
construction and manufacturing.
my
In
opinion.
my
Like I want to
opinion,
Many
add
guys,
some
cases,
if
point with you.
government
I'm
is also working with NGO to reduce.
In my
Yes,
opinion, guys,
I want to add some
if
points
any
like
work,
we all know that the main reason behind the child labor is financial condition. So first of all, the parents should think that I have to complete the study of my child. After then, he can work good work for our nation. So it means that the parents are thinking good about their child. That I have to provide the good education for my child. So it's a good thing. After then, we can decrease the child labor in India.
in my
So
opinion,
government
guys,
and
if
government is
any
also working on
in
this
many
field. Like
cases,
the government is provide a
in
free
many cases,
education
the
to the
government also
children, and also providing a midday meal so that the children can get eating food and do sufficient study from the government schools. And also some NGOs are also working to stop the child labor in our society.
Many
in
people
my
want to
opinion,
eat
guys,
as
if
child labor
any
in
because
the
work
child
world.
are very affordable and very costable for the owners. That owners want to start in for their business. Child are for so dependable.
Destroy the future of child. The child labor is supported these persons which think the child do the work in less rupees, and these type selfish person destroy the future of child. We save the
in
future
my
of child
opinion,
if you raise the voice of against these persons.
in my opinion, guys, if any work harm the future of child and push their bright future in the dark, this is child labor. But in the other hand, many child work in arts, like they achieve achievement in many sport in early age, and there are many YouTubers and many bloggers which achieve a massive success in their life in child age. So this is not child labor. A child labor is where harm their bright future. In my opinion, this is child labor.
Government gives a
We
message
know
to
that
all the
India is
children
the
that
second
they
populous
start
country in the
for
world.
this
Therefore,
education
the
study
poverty
level.
is still exists in our country. We know that India is the second populous country in the world. Therefore, poverty is still exists in our country. Therefore, child labor is still exists. It is
The
not good for
where
our country and also for our children. Therefore, we should take care of it because child labor makes a hurdle in our development. Therefore, we should take care of it.
Okay,
the main
gentlemen, my
cause of
point of
child labor
those
is
child who's have not parents, so who those child work in field and factories and live and live earning some money and eating the food. So those child.
Yes,
I
I'm agree
agree
many
with
with
you.
times
you.
child not
I
work
add
in
some point.
factories, but
Our
their
country,
relatable are
so
so agree to start in factories jobs.
I'm
I
agree
add
with
some
you.
point. In many cases, government is also working with NGO to reduce the child labor. In India, child labor is the biggest problem of the world. But our government also launch many schemes like a midday meal and NGO also to reduce the child labor. But our society also take responsibility to reduce child labor.
yes, the
I am agree
government
with you.
take initiative to
Many
reduce
schemes are launched by Indian
unemployment through
government like midday
student
meal,
prices,
NGO, and the
hiking free
reservation. And but
assessment, readings books,
reservation
and
play a
bus
key role in our
tickets,
country because
popular teacher
reservation is a key
education,
to
office jobs.
decrease child labor.
As we know that our country are the second largest country, so many persons are serious about them, but no they take any harmful for and very interest toward the child labor case.
In my opinion, guys, if the natural disaster is also causes of child labor, because if any area engaged in a natural disaster like earthquake, tsunamis, then the unemployment increases in these areas, and the financial condition of all the families of this area are very bad. So child labor is a chiefest, so they use
Okay,
child labor.
gentlemen, I would tell you something this point. The existence of child labor in India is a complex problem and poverty and low level of education. The main cause of child labor in India is.
In our society, think that child labor is cheapest, so our society wanted to work with the child. Thank you.
Agree to some points, Pritams, that the situation due to the main reason of the child labor is the poverty. Also, the natural disaster also play key role. like when in Bihar, in Paschim Bengal, and on Uttar Pradesh, there is flood situation always happen in during the monsoon time, and some families are also facing these problems. So that's why their children are also facing this problem, and they have to do work for establish his financial situation. So that's why they are working in a children age. Also, the owner easily hire them because they are coming in a very cheapest rate and they do work in a very cheapest way.
Yes, I agree with you.
Towards
In
some
my opinion, poverty is an issue in our country. So many children do not child caretaking is good. Many parents are greedy at some extra monies and income level in high of houses. This problem is not good. So government should take some preventive steps like many
Yes,
yojanas,
my dear friends,
mid-day meal
I
yojanas.
agree with you. If we want to reduce the child level, then we increase the employment and reduce the poverty and also do work for the better education. And NGOs also work for the poor children and street children. They go to the in places like Jugis and many other low level areas and to educate the children.
I think Corona is also increase the child labor in our country. Children are a cheap source of labor as compared to elder. Our government should reduce unemployment. Then our elder can do work and of their children can study.
I want to add some points. You are very disappointing to say that 25 crore children in India and 250 million children in a worldwide under forced work. It is not good for the development of child because it does not grow mentally and physically as well.
I want to a small point, guys, that war and mass migration of other countries also causes of child labor.
India is developed by only one third child, so make sure the child's bright future. The government tries many any adventures for the children, like in school events and sports event also.
I add some point. If you want
Friends,
to
I am
reduce the
agree
child labor, then give in
with you.
shelter, foods, and sufficient necessity. Everything. I think reopen new school only special of a child labor. Then child labor reduce in our nation.
Yes, I agree with you.
Friends,
Many
I am
children
agree
are
with
like
you.
working in factories, dumps, storm corners. Children are faces a lot of problems. India is a developing country. This problem is not good. So, like government take some steps, and
Friends,
many
I
should
am
use NAS. Thank you.
At some point, many children are working in a chemical factory and most hazardous industries and many more factories because the lack of education, lack of knowledge, and lack of proper guardians and the rate of juvenile case in India are increasing day by day.
When the age of
When
childhood enjoyment, then the many children are work in many factories and shops. That is
dear friends,
very harmful for
I
us.
am agree with you.
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. Child labor is a complex problem in our country. Therefore, the many terrorist organization takes advantage of it, and we have seen that in a Kashmir, many the youth and the children are interfere in the terrorist attacks.
Child labor
Agree.
is a critical problem in
Yes,
our society, and
situation
in
in our
India is the
country.
most affected. In India is the most affected by child labor. It is a global problem, and
When a poor family are not expand
I
their income, so
am
their children are also work in many factories. It's
Agree to you that children are also working in the factories in industrial areas where we can easily find that the children are working because they are coming in a cheapest rate and they work in a very cheapest rate and do hard work. And also the children is a bright future of our country, so we should be make sure that they should be get a proper education and their child age should not be lost. If they lost their child and then they lost their creativity and which is very important for our country's future. Thank you.
it's
I
it's
agree with
only
yeah,
you.
I at
only
some
I
point
solely
agree with you.
our
Government should
society
reduce
our
unemployment.
society can
Only
society should
solution
be
for child
reduced.
labor is that awareness in people and improve the child's conditions.
To reduce the child labor in India.
I want to add more point, guys. We all know this that the 99% of child labor parents is not educated. If we educate the parents, then he never push the child into the harmful factories.
I agree with Pritam that educated family make sure improve their childs are very important future.
Dear friends, I am agree with you. And child labor are preferred by many employers because they are able at cheap rates and come without much demand. The parents are also in greedy if some extra income push their children to do the work, this kind of work. The main cause of child labor is because of lack of education and poverty. And the main causes of parents are not educated. That's why children face this problem.
Yes, dear friends, I agree with you. Child labor can be controlled by providing education, solving the problem of hunger, and producing the maximum resources of employment and the ego population of child labor. So we cannot see the dream of a development India. So we should provide education and existence of hungry as this is the main reason of child labor.
All of the issues are
Our,
have one
soci-
solution
our
that
society should be
increase
reduced.
the awareness and increase the interest in children to make sure their bright future.
In many areas, guys, the main reason of child labor is war and migration. Like Gaza, we go to the Gaza, then we see that the many child labor are engaged in factories and roads and garbage also. So the some areas like war areas, it is war is also a reason of child labor.
Yes, I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, the government reduce unemployment so elders can working and children are focus on studies. So in rural areas, network connect due to rural areas it's difficult to network connectivity. Many children are not focus on reading. This problem is not good. Children are faces a lot of problems. Thank you.
I think world is also responsible to increase child labor. Listen about listen about Afghanistan. Taliban destroy the democracy of Afghanistan. Then Taliban is also responsible to increase child labor in Afghanistan. Many children are died of less foods and shelter and medicine and many more things because their country condition is not good in child labor.
In point of view of Abdul Kalam, that they say the child are make sure the bright future of our India and them the childrens are provide many faculties and many improvement then such a cold developed country as in India.
In India,
India
one side said that
because from a
children
past time the
is a
children
god.
are working as a labor.
It is another. Yeah, one side that is it is said that children are another form of god, but other side many children are working in a hazardous factories and chemical industry and many more companies.
India is a developing
Agree with
country
you,
for
dear
from a
friends.
past time
I am
the
agree with you.
children are working in as a labor in our countries. If children are always be working as a labor, then in future we will not get that which we want from our children in the future because they will be sure they will become a youth for our country and they will contribute for our country's development. If they become a labor, so that will be create a problem in future for our country.
Yes, friends, I agree with you. The existence of child labor is a ground reality. This is a major problem. Poverty and unemployment is very big issue in our country. Many children are not focused on studies; they are focused on working, and parents are greedy. Some extras income money, and many issues. Children are not reading books or not purchasing and lack of rupees, lack of job opportunity. This problem is not good.
In
Our
ground
society are not our society are not awareness for this condition.
in ground
I want to
reality, guys,
of
we all know that in ground reality we see that in our village, in our cities, that some guys they not obey the parents, they don't obey the parents and engage in child labor also.
Dear
I want
friends,
to add
I
some
am agree
points.
with you.
Sometimes lack of education is also a reason. Therefore, it is also the duty of common people to provide awareness about child labor.
In my point of view, that government wants to make a new program to start in school level and college level for provide for empowerment to start a new education level in students.
Dear friends, I am agree with you. In our constitution, in article 24 written that below the age of 14 years old children cannot work in factories, street corners and garbage dumps.
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with you. Not only our government and NGOs work, but also we want to give our support to these type of child. We want to support these childs and encourage these childs to go to the school and educate us himself and herself also, and not do these type of heinous and dangerous work. If we go to go the work like in a TV shows, it is very good for the child because these shows also give the bright future for the child. But the children go to the tea stall, restaurants, and many factories. It is not good for the child because it destroys the future of child.
Yes, friends, I agree with you. Children are not focused on studies. Poverty is a very big
Class.
issue. So faces lot of problems. Children are not satisfied in their homes, houses, and parents. Thank you.
Now I want to attract your attraction how to solve the child labor in India. First of all, in my opinion, education is most of important for child labor, because if they educate the people, then they never allow their child into the factories and garbage field. And second is, if we push the people into the below poverty line, then they never push their boy into the child labor.
All the
To
parents
Indian
think
constitution that
that their
according
children
to the
are
Indian
educated
constitution,
are for
the
bright future of their family and their relatives are make sure to dream their achieve their goals.
according to the Indian constitution, that the children it is a mandatory to get a education of every children before the age 14, and it will be provided by the government with free. But right now the situation in ground reality is different. So how can we remove it? That I have some solutions like that, the provide education with free, but also giving a scholarship with their education, so that they will not involve in the labor work after the school. And also government is providing a midday meal as well. Midday meal government will should be ensure that these children should not be go work for the labor work. If they need money, so then provide them the scholarship for other classes so that they can also enhance their financial stability for the future.
Friends,
Yes,
I
my
am
dear friend,
agree. As we all know,
I,
many
yes, my
parents
dear
are
friend, I
not
agree with
focused
you.
on
Our
their
constitution also gives the many
on
rights
their
like
child's
Article 20, 24, Article 21A, and also the fundamental duties of like 51A and K. Also the sub clause give the right to the child to educate herself and not to go and not to go these heinous places like to support the child labor.
Yes, in my opinion, many parents are not not child caretaking is not a child caretaking. So many child involved in Facebook, Twitter, like WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So this is very big problem in our country. Social media is a very big issue. Many children are wasting time in social media. They are not focused on study. Thank you.